This is my drawing of Christmas Labubu, and today I'm going to guide you through all the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the brow, leaving a gap in the center. We start with the left side. From the top, curl this around and out, and just curl that up on the end. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going out in the opposite direction, and then curl that up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. From the outside, we're going to draw an oval, coming down, around, and just tuck that up underneath, and then do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside, so we start on the top left, curl this around, and then up. And then on the left side, along the top, we're going to add a circle for highlight. And again, just tucking that in underneath. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the nose. We're going to curl this up and then down. On the ends, bend this down and in towards the center point. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw in the mouth. Let's start with the left. Curving down, across the middle, and then bend that up on the right. Let's add those pointy teeth, starting in the middle, coming down and up toward the left, and then the right. And we'll continue to add these teeth going out towards the side of the mouth. Now let's surround the face with a large oval. Start from the top of the middle, going all the way around the left side, go around the mouth, come in towards the center, go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, come down, and we'll bend that in. Let's surround the outside with a furry edge. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, add a curve, and I'm going to add that same curve going around that oval. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the hat. We're going to start on the left side, bend it up, and then in towards the middle. Go out and then down towards the right side. Now along the top, we're going to add a circle. Directly underneath the head, we're going to draw the side of the body. Making a small gap, going out and then down towards the waist. Close out the end with a curve going across. Let's step up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. And then leaving a gap in the center, we're going to start underneath the head, draw a straight line coming all the way down on the left and right side. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Now going back to the hips, we're just going to curl this out and then down towards the side. And you want to bend this back up towards the bottom corners of the buckle. So we're going to come down on the left and pull that up. Now I want to add that same furry edge along the bottom. Starting on the left side, add two curves coming around. And I want to pull this up towards the middle. And then we'll just repeat that on the right side. In the center, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. And then we'll draw the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and out. Bend the toe, going up and then in. Let's layer two more toes on either side. So we're going to step down, bend this down and out, and then in. Let's add one more toe, but now we're going to curve this up along the top of the foot and then down, just aiming towards the heel. And then on top of the foot, draw a straight line coming down. Let's go back up to the top and draw the arms. We're going to start from the side of the body, start with a straight line coming down and out, round up the cuff, going up toward the top of the arm, and we'll angle that back in towards the head. And then again, we're going to add that same fluffy texture along the outside of the cuff. Start with one curve, and just work our way towards the inside, and then close that off. On the end of the cuff, we're going to see 3 little fingers. Just going to pull this out and in. Draw that 2 more times. And do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Christmas Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.